Greetings, sports fans. You know who I am. This is Maya the Wonder Dog, also known as Aqua Dog. Say hello to the people. Come on, look at the camera.
Say hello, Maya. Well, that's as good as a hello you're gonna get.
Come on, I'm gonna go Jim Riley on you.
Come on.
Okay. I hate things of beauty and wonder and things like that, you know, so I came across this. Wacky John found it in a dumpster. This can't stand. I can't let this exist. Right? Right? Because I hate it. Right? You don't like Beauty to Beast either, right? You could translate that, she just said the network of evil rules. Right? But still there's more. Right?
It's a game, baby. It's just a game. Oh.
I think it's the stick more than teapot. I hate the teapot.
Well, that's about it for this.
I hate if you can hit one out of the park.
Hate it.
Oh, that's her ball. She likes that ball. She'll get angry if you. All right, go ahead.
Right underhand, really, right to you.
Missed it.
I'm a lousy ball player.
Here. Let me pitch this to you.
If you don't like the food, then you can starve.
Here. Ready?
No, careful. Oh, it's like a bump. She had to rescue it.
Here, ready, Monk?
Oh, swing and a miss.
Of course she knows it's hers. Ready? Just hate that.
No.
No effect.
Go get him. She's being aggressive. Yep. Oh, look, it looks like a fucking hobo village over here. Look at this shit. Wacky John's area. Isn't he the one that stomps down the cans?
This is dedicated to Wacky John and Jim Riley and Jeffrey Davis. And in memory of Mr. Max Peabody, who unfortunately is dead, but Maya lives. She's the official dog of the NOE.
There she is. Look at this
Come here.
beautiful creature.
Jim Riley's got the dogs. Real dogs.
Those are the roofer police dogs. This is the Aqua dog. She goes anywhere, does anything. She's vicious and mean.
She comes off beautiful though.
She's got two different colored eyes.
Yeah.